In this video, I'll show you how to update your Wi-Fi driver in Windows 11. First, for updating through Windows Updates, go to the Start menu and click on Settings. In the left panel, select Windows Update. Next, click on Advanced Options. From there, look for Optional Updates. Check if there are any available updates for your Wi-Fi driver. If yes, then select them and install. Once the update is complete, make sure to restart your computer to apply the changes. Next is updating through the Device Manager. To do it, go to the Start menu again and search for Device Manager. In the list, expand the section called Network Adapters. Find your wireless LAN card or Wi-Fi adapter in the list. Right-click on it, then select Update Driver. Here you'll have two options: search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. Choose the first option to let Windows search and install the latest driver for you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.